channel and my new video. So guys, on my channel it's about 2 videos of art competition. So I haven't any art competition on my channel, but there are some art competition on YouTube. Many of our YouTube artists has the art competition. So I have participated in all of the art competition. So I think some of the art competitions are not the news are not till you. Yeah, that's why you can't participate in any art competition. So for that I am making this video about all art competitions in the on the YouTube. Any artist have prepared about art competition. So I'll tell you there are about 3 art competition means in today's date. So I'll tell you all about the art competition on YouTube. There are how many and which artist or which channel have that art competition. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start today's video. So yeah, first there is one art competition. I think the date has the last date is finished. It's I think 5, and I think I have made video on that art competition. The Ankit Jasmati sir have art competition. So the topic was the Sonu Sood sir. So I have made this sketch for the art competition. So I have uploaded 2 videos of making outline one and the shading. So all time-lapse video I have uploaded on my channel. You can check it. You can see the video, both video on iCard here. So you can also check it, my both video, and this is my very realistic portrait till now. So that is one art competition about the Ankit Jasmati sir was prepared, and I think on 15 or in this week they will come live on YouTube and announce the result. So I hope, finger crossed, to I should win, and I think I should win because I have I have given much time to this artwork. It's about two and a half day I have gone for this artwork. So yeah, let's see, finger crossed. Yeah, so second art competition is the Parth Thakur Arts. The channel had the art competition. So the last date is about 13 or 15 like that. So I'll not say the accurate date. I think 13 is last date. I'll give all art channel or art competition video in description. The link is given, so you can check it, and also you can also participate. For that I am making this video to party. You should also participate in all art competition. We should just not go and participate in art competition for the winning prize or any means prize only. That we should go and participate and win that prize, that a pencil, that any giveaway that artist is going to do the winning prize and all. We have to go as fun or any art that we have to do, or the art collection we want. So we will do also the art and will also participate in the art competition. So for that we can go, but not for the winning prize. I am also participating in any art competition for the fun and my art collection. So yeah, so I'm telling about the second art competition. It's on Parth Thakur Art. The video link is given in the description box. You can check it, and the topic is the photo. So this photo is also given on the art competition video link. So you can check that video, and in that video description box the link of the photo is given. So from there you have to download it, and if you want you can transfer the this photo in filter like black and white, or you can also do with this the color image. This is also better. um, so yeah, that's that this is the second art competition. So yeah, third art competition is of the Art Avatar channel. So the sir has also means the art competition. So the sir has announced now only about 1 or 2 days. So let's search Art Avatar. So let's see on which date sir has announced the art competition about 14 hours ago. Means the today's date is means when the video is on. Means I should have shooting this video. The date is 7 June. So on 7 June, sir has announced, and about the 16 June is the last date of this art competition. In this we have to draw any god image, so we can draw in colored or black and white like charcoal or graphite, any medium. So it's allowed, and winning prize is also good about all materials of painting and sketching. So this video link is also given in description box. You can check it and participate in the art competition. Yeah. So fourth art competition is from the Geet Academy. So yeah, Geet Academy they have their online art competition. So in that the topic is Father's Day, and the but in this eligibility is from 15 to 30 years only, 15 to 13 or else. And the winning prize I don't know, but the ending date means the last submission date is 15 or 16 June, and the result date is 30 June. So you can also participate. The link is the video link is on description box. You can check it and participate also. So yeah, that's all. I hope you will participate, and I think I'll participate in all art competition. But the in Geet art competition, the eligibility is about 15, and now I'm of 14 years. So I think I'm not allowed there. Yeah, but I'll try many more art competition other. Yeah. So I think this video is helpful and informative. All video link is in description box. You can check it, and please do like, share, and comment your doubt. I'll pick, and I'll also shoot video on that. And please do subscribe to my channel, and if you are new, and we have completed about 25 subscribers. There are only 5 to become 30. So let's go and become 30 members of our art of viewers channel. So yeah, that's all. I hope this video is helpful. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, we'll meet in next video. Till that, happy sketching. Do sketch.